might think that you know how to write an essay from your high school days, but writing a great composition for a higher educational level is a new ballgame. Many students fail to structure an essay at this higher academic level due to a lack of knowledge and weak research skills. If you are afraid to become one of them, you have knocked on the right door. In this video, we'll tell you how to structure a perfect essay that helps you improve your grades. Let's get started. 1. Deconstruct the essay prompt. The writing process of a great essay starts with deconstructing the essay prompt. For this deconstruction, start by looking for keywords in your essay prompt, such as contrast, analyze, discuss, explain, propose a solution, trace, research, and more. Now, understand the rubrics of your essay provided by your instructor. In the end, evaluate your understanding by asking some questions related to your essay topic. 2. Structure a unique thesis statement. Now, the second step is to write a powerful thesis statement for your essay. When writing a thesis statement, ensure that it has the following core characteristics: clarity, focused, insightful, relevant, debatable. To better understand, have a look at an example of a weak and a strong thesis statement. 3. Conduct in-depth research. After structuring the thesis statement, the next step is to conduct in-depth research on your essay topic. Below are some tips to conduct research for an impactful essay. Go from general to specific topic aspect. Explore authentic sources. Evaluate sources. 4. Structure your essay. It's time to do the main task of your essay writing process. Structure your essay. To structure your essay, include the 3 key components: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Check out how you can structure each section of your essay. Introduction. The first part of your essay is the introduction, which sets the foundation for your overall essay. To write a compelling introduction, add the following elements to it: a hook, background information, a clear thesis statement, an overview of essay structure. Body paragraphs. In this section, you present your arguments to back the key point you outlined in your thesis statement. Typically, an essay comprises 3 to 5 paragraphs, while each paragraph is structured using the PEEL technique. Point. Start with your supporting point that you will discuss in the entire paragraph. E. Evidence. Present evidence to support the point. Explanation. Now explain your presented evidence in 3 to 4 lines. Link. At the end, add a linking word to connect to the current idea with the next point that you are going to mention in the next paragraph. Conclusion. Wrap up your essay with a powerful conclusion that leaves a lasting impression on your readers. Add the following elements to your concluding paragraph to make it powerful. Restate your thesis statement. Reiterate all the key points. Add a thought-provoking statement, a future outlook, or a forward-looking remark. 5. Edit your essay like a pro. Last but not least, after structuring your essay, edit it like a pro. This revision and addition make your essay a win-win. Follow the tips below to edit it effectively. After writing your essay, take a break for a while. Edit the long paragraphs and break them down into shorter ones. Remove the repetitive ideas if you do during writing. By following these steps, we ensure that you can write a compelling essay. If you are still confused, you can explore our blog guide, The Essay Blueprint, 5 Secrets to Writing Essays, that win top grades and impress professors to explore these steps in detail. Further, you can subscribe to our channel, where you may find various videos on structuring a great essay.